How to organize your email campaign to move people closer to making a purchase from you. You don't just send them sales emails all day. You need to use a number of different types of emails in your email campaign. You need to write content emails, referral emails, free gift emails, and feedback emails. All of these emails should bring people closer to your goal for your list. So what you should do is send your list a lot of very useful content early on. You should have already provided them with a free gift for subscribing to your list. Now in the first few emails you should send them more useful information that builds on what you covered in your free gift. The more value you provide early, the more receptive your subscribers will be to your promotional emails later on. What you're doing with these initial emails is you are building long-term reciprocity. So if you give something of value to someone, they will not only feel grateful but they will feel as though they want to give something back to you. In your case, the more valuable information you provide to your subscribers, the more likely they are to feel comfortable purchasing your products later on. A lot of people balk at the thought of giving away valuable information and knowledge for free. They want their subscribers to pay for their best information, but here's the problem with this type of thinking: how would your subscribers know that you are knowledgeable if you don't give them valuable and high-quality information for free to begin with? If you think you don't have enough knowledge or advice to actually give away for free, then you need to learn more. Study more about your niche, read, buy training products for your own knowledge. So your campaign should be organized based on the premise that you need to give first by providing high-quality, valuable information to build credibility, and then you will receive later when your subscribers buy your products.